Hi everyone, today I'm tackling a dangerous fault in this Galanz microwave. It won't heat, and it's constantly blowing the main fuse with sparks and smoke. After a quick inspection, the culprit is obvious. The high voltage capacitor is bulging and leaking, showing a near short circuit reading of just 100 ohms. In this video, I'll show you how to safely replace the faulty 0.95 capacitor with a new 1UF unit. Swap out the blown 8A power fuse, and test the magnetron for ground leaks. I'll also explain the three main reasons why microwaves keep blowing fuses: shorted HV capacitors, magnetron filament leaks, and faulty door interlock switches. Let's get this repaired safely.